A QR, quick response, code is a type of 2D barcode that can be scanned using a smartphone or other QR code reader app. It consists of black and white squares arranged in a specific pattern, with encoded information that can be read by a scanning device. When a QR code is scanned, the scanner reads the pattern of the code and decodes the information embedded within it. The information can be in the form of text, a website URL, or other types of data. The encoding process of a QR code involves several steps. First, the data that needs to be encoded is converted into a binary code consisting of ones and zeros. This code is then compressed to reduce its size and stored as a series of black and white squares, with each square representing a bit of data. The position and orientation of the squares in the QR code also contain information that helps the scanning device to read the code accurately. In addition, error correction techniques are used to ensure that even if part of the code is damaged or obscured, the scanning device can still read and decode the information correctly. When a user scans a QR code using a smartphone or other scanning device, the device uses its camera to capture an image of the code. The scanning software then processes the image to identify the pattern of the code and decodes the information embedded within it. The decoded information is then displayed on the device, or used to perform a specific action, such as opening a website or downloading a file. QR codes have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their convenience and versatility. They can be used for a wide range of applications, including advertising, ticketing, payments, and authentication, among others. The use of QR codes is expected to continue to grow in the future, as more people become familiar with their capabilities and the technology continues to evolve.